everyone. Right, I'm back again with entry number 31 to my 60th birthday challenge, and this is from the lovely Crafty Michelle. Now, I've only recently found Michelle, and I found her through Julia McNeil's daffodil, what do you call it, Marie Curie thing. Michelle was taking part in that, so that's how I found Michelle, and then she said she'd like to join in my challenge, so thank you ever so much, Michelle. I do appreciate it. I've just undone the box, but I haven't looked at anything. Oh, so that looks as though it may just be a birthday card. So we'll leave that for a moment. Thank you very much. Look at our beautiful paper. Washi tape on the back. Lovely crepe rosette. If you don't know Michelle, please pop across to her channel, because she's a very clever lady. She did some watercolour daffodils a couple of weeks ago, and they was just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. She does a lot of cards, and yesterday I was watching one of her videos, which I'll leave the link to it because I really enjoyed it. She was making paper butterflies, so I'll leave the link to that video because that was most enjoyable. Right, so thank you, Michelle. Let's have a look. Oh, bless you. She sent me some lovely papers, look. Beauty in Bloom, Garden Girl. And Michelle's got a giveaway going on at the moment, if you don't already know. Look at that, it's beautiful. Thank you. Oh, I haven't got any of these. They're really lovely. Thank you ever so much, Michelle. That's very, very kind of you. Some more papers here, look. They weren't double-sided, weren't they? No, these ones are double-sided. Thank you. Oh, wow. Oh, these are gorgeous. Right. These, so you don't get the glare. These are beautiful. There's a little bow at the top, look. That looks, have you got a die? It looks like you've probably got a die for that. Oh, my nails are just so disgusting. I'm still tea and coffee dyeing. That's lovely. And then she's made me some little mason jars, look. They are beautiful. Oh, wow. They're gorgeous. Oh, it's all silvery, shimmery paper on the back, and then she's layered some flowers up. A little bow on this one. I think those two are the same background papers. Oh, they're really beautiful, Michelle. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Love, love, love. Love them. Thank you very, 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 very much. And then there's another little package here in some lovely shiny paper. Little back, shiny paper back. Here. Right. A little note here for me. Let me just put those there. Just chat amongst yourselves a minute. Just taking the view. Oh, can't get it out of the envelope. My fingers are cold. It's blooming cold out today. Right, I'm going to have to rip this because I can't get it out. Come on, you little monkey. can't get it out. What's occurring? Right, that's got it. Oh, look at that. How beautiful is that? Little swan with a little crown on. I love it. You've got some brilliant dies. That skeleton die that you've got, I like that one that you was showing. I don't know whether, I think that was an older video probably. You were showing some dies and things that you'd got, and yeah, that was really cool how you'd put the butterfly wings at the back of that skeleton. So she's raised this up on little foam pads. That's lovely. Lovely paper. And a little flower there. Oh, thank you, Michelle. Thank you. And what have we got here? Hello, life. A little butterfly. This is nice paper as well. Little heart and a bow. That's really pretty. Oh, wow. Oh, thank you. Oh, these are oh, look at these swans. They're so cool. I love how you've put the crowns on them. They're beautiful. Thank you. Oh, now are they going to get mingling with the chickens, I wonder? The mind boggles. We shall have to see. Oh, thank you very much. Some little other Tim Holtz little ladies, little boy. Oh, little curly haired boy. Oh, these are brilliant. Thank you very, very much. And I shan't open the card. Well, it has sort of come open, but it's a birthday card. So I didn't look, honest. Oh, thank you. Bless your heart, Michelle. I really appreciate it. I shall leave the link to Michelle's channel. Pop across and have a look at her giveaway if you didn't see my VR for her the other day, because as I say, she's having a little giveaway. And good luck in the draw, Michelle. So this is entry number 31 from Crafty Michelle. Thank you very much and thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.